We begin at the Sugar ERP sign-in page, where FlowSense positions the platform as a single command center for procurement, milling, quality, maintenance, and finance. Users choose their role, sign in securely, and enter a plant-wide operating system designed for fast decisions from day one. The Executive Command Center gives leadership a real-time snapshot of the season, with cane crushed, crush rate, recovery, cost, molasses, bagasse, power, dispatch, and stock all in one view. Trend charts and yield visuals turn daily plant activity into an immediate performance story, while export and Ask AI options make the dashboard actionable. The AI Control Center brings a co-pilot into daily operations, so teams can ask natural language questions like how much sugar was produced or which machine may fail next. It can also generate reports such as production summaries, recovery analysis, cost per metric ton, and plant utilization, reducing manual analysis time. The Smart Factory Digital Twin shows the entire cane-to-sugar process as a live operational map, from farmer registration and cane procurement through crushing, clarification, crystallization, inventory, and dispatch. Key telemetry like plant OEE, crush rate, steam balance, and power export helps managers see bottlenecks before they become production losses. Procurement management focuses on cane indents, purchase orders, scheduling, supplier performance, and cane payments. The screen combines cane arrived today, open POs, active suppliers, open payables, arrival trends, and supplier scorecards, so procurement can stay aligned with factory demand. Cane scheduling helps balance harvest sequencing, delivery slots, and crushing capacity across the week. With slots, cane scheduled, capacity used, and delayed slots visible at the top, planners can quickly adjust the schedule and reduce waiting time, overbooking, and recovery risk. Supplier management centralizes clusters, societies, and traders with their contracts, dues, fulfillment, and performance scores. The supplier mix chart and AI watch list make it easier to identify strong partners, delayed deliveries, and quality concerns before they impact the mill. Farmer management brings together registration, KYC, land and crop details, bank mandates, and season supply history. Teams can search farmer records, confirm cane quantities and recovery, and keep approvals and outstanding amounts transparent across the grower network. The Weighbridge Live Console supports vehicle entry, gross and tear weights, deductions, and slip generation in real time. Operators can monitor queues, create capture records, and flag anomalies, so cane receiving stays accurate, fast, and auditable. Production planning turns daily crushing plans, shift plans, capacity planning, and what-if simulations into one coordinated workflow. Planners see adherence, planned crush, capacity utilization, and scheduled kits, then compare each shift against targets to keep the plant on track. Production execution gives supervisors a stage-by-stage view of milling, juice extraction, clarification, evaporation, crystallization, centrifugation, drying, packaging, and bagging. Live parameters such as supersaturation, vacuum, and bricks help operators keep batches in spec while logging output and downtime as it happens. Process automation connects PLC and SCADA parameters with chemical dosage control, SOPs, and formula management. Live process cards for cane average, trash content, yield buffer, mill torque, imbibition, and pH make automation visible and measurable instead of hidden inside control systems. WIP tracking follows batches through every stage of production with genealogy, progress, delayed batch reporting, and resource utilization. The team can see active WIP batches, total value, cycle time, and status by batch, which helps pinpoint where work is moving smoothly or getting delayed. BOM management defines recipes for sugar production, chemicals, and packaging, with version control and cost calculation. By showing active BOMs, cost per metric ton, revisions, and variance, FlowSense helps teams standardize production inputs while understanding the financial impact of every component. Quality control manages incoming, in-process, and finished product testing, including holds, deviations, COA generation, predictions, and root cause analysis. Defect detection, quality prediction, and batch-level analysis help teams catch issues early and protect both yield and customer confidence. The laboratory module handles sample registration, work lists, instrument calibration, result entry, and approval workflows. Analysts can track pending results, approved tests, sample status, and calibration validity, so lab activity stays reliable and compliant. Packaging and labeling manages pack sizes, configurations, label generation, barcodes, QR codes, and batch labeling. Teams can monitor packed output, efficiency, open orders, and packaging material cost while keeping every shipment correctly identified and traceable. Food safety brings HACCP controls, hygiene checks, pest activity, incident logging, recalls, and regulatory compliance together in one workspace. Risk alerts, compliance scorecards, and pest activity watches help teams prioritize corrective action before small issues become serious exposure. Food quality tracks grade specifications, lot release, COA registers, customer complaints, CAPA, sensory panels, and shelf life. This view highlights first-pass release, open complaints, sensory score, active shelf life studies, and release risks, so quality teams can defend consistency across every batch. Inventory management covers multi-category stock with GRN, transfers, batch and lot tracking, valuation, aging, and dead stock monitoring. The dashboard shows total stock value, finished stock, low stock items, and movement trends, helping teams avoid shortages and excess working capital. Warehouse management supports bin occupancy, put away, picking, and cycle counting across storage locations. The occupancy heat map gives a quick visual of empty, in use, filled, and full bins, so warehouse teams can optimize space and maintain stock accuracy. Distribution and logistics manages sales order dispatch, planning, vehicle allocation, route management, and delivery confirmation. On-time delivery, freight cost, vehicles in transit, and dispatch performance give logistics teams the visibility they need to keep customer commitments. Fleet management monitors trucks, tractors, trips, drivers, fuel, mileage, and GPS status. The live fleet map and vehicle metrics show which assets are active, idle, or on trip, helping transport teams improve utilization and reduce unplanned delays. Sales management supports quotations, sales orders, GST invoicing, credit control, sugar quota, and release orders. Revenue, open orders, average price, overdue amounts, and revenue trends help commercial teams manage both sales growth and cash discipline. Customer management centralizes customer profiles, complaint registers, feedback, CSAT, and NPS analytics. Account managers can review satisfaction trends, complaint themes, and NPS breakdowns to understand relationship health and act before retention is at risk. Post-production analytics connects recovery, efficiency, downtime, and waste analysis with cost reduction and yield insights. Recovery trends and downtime Pareto charts make it clear where operational improvements can deliver the biggest business impact. Report Studio lets users build self-serve reports by selecting datasets, dimensions, metrics, visualizations, and date ranges. Teams can preview, export, or schedule reports, reducing dependency on manual spreadsheets and making plant data easier to share. Maintenance management tracks equipment health, preventive and breakdown maintenance, AMCs, work orders, and AI failure prediction. Asset cards show uptime, criticality, and failure risk, so maintenance teams can prioritize work before downtime disrupts production. Human Resources manages employee master data, attendance, shifts, roster, leave, payroll, contract labor, and safety. Headcount, present employees, contract labor, and open safety cases give plant leaders a clear view of workforce availability and compliance. Finance and accounting brings together the general ledger, AP, AR, cane payment accounting, production costing, and statutory statements. Revenue, cost per metric ton, net profit, cash position, receivables, and payables help finance connect factory operations directly to financial outcomes. Admin and security controls users, roles, row and RLS access, master data, workflow designer, integrations, and audit logs. Administrators can monitor active sessions, role assignments, and recent logins so the system stays secure, governed, and ready to scale. The demo closes on the FlowSense website, where visitors can request a personalized walkthrough tailored to their manufacturing operation. The form captures contact details, company information, plant size, and specific needs, so the team can prepare a relevant session. Book your demo today.